Hey guys, here we are in Berlin, Maryland, and there's Patti Fahy. We had a convoy today. We had Patty's car, the box truck, and my truck. I don't know where the box truck is yet. They're a couple miles behind us. They had the PP. But Bob has a forklift with an extension, so we're gonna try and lift it over this fence. It won't fit through the little arbor there. It's way too small. Everything's, and the fence is all concreted in, but it's going right here. So we'll see what we can do.
Oh, it don't have to go up high.
No, it's just got to get over this. But he's only got one fork extension, so I don't know how we're going to do it yet. We'll figure it out. But they thought maybe we can lift it, and yeah, that's not happening. So, hey, Owen, unscrew these two. We're going to need these inside because when he lifts it over, we're going to try and get one end on a dolly, and then we'll get the other end on it when he gets it over. But I'm not sure how we're going to do this with one fork. All right, well, it was a 3-hour drive. It was a 3-hour tour. And oh, there's the box truck, just pulled up. All right. I don't think they'll be able to drive on the grass. It's not soft, but I think that box truck's going to be a little too heavy. But all right, well, I'm going to splice like I do in all my videos. I'm going to splice this together with the rest of the videos I take today. So until the next scene or segment. Oh, look, that might be one of Bob's planes. There's 13 airfields right over there on the other side of the street. And yep, that is one of his planes. It's right across the street. They do banners. They do crop dusting, or whatever you want to call it. Crop dusting. So it's pretty neat. I was just over there with them on the golf cart. And tons of planes over there. But anyway, if I go back over there, I'll make a real quick short video and add it to this. All right, well, we got to get to work. So from Berlin, Maryland, until the next segment, Tiki Kev out. No, right here. All manual.
Pow! 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 Pow!
All right, tilt. All right, have them tilt. Tilt. Tilt down. Tilt.
You need my help? Do you need my help, Kev?
No, I'm okay.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. All right, I need everybody in here. All right. Let's slide it. Drop it right on the dollar. Yeah, that's right. Piece of cake's got to go. Well, how about I need 2 people in the back corner just to help stabilize.
Watch where I'm walking. I'm spinning.
Right, so pull or push towards us. Ready? Okay. Here. pair more and then stop for a second. All right, stop.
My heart's racing. I said my heart's racing. I don't do. You want the dolly moved?
No.
Okay.
Okay, you guys ready? 1, 2, 3, go. All right, we're on. Okay. That wasn't the front part? Yeah. Turn that on. When I say go, hold out. Okay, where is everybody? Need everybody over here. Go ahead, Bob. There we go.
Good job. Woo! Oh, he's wrecking this fence though. He's like, I'll fix it.
Don't worry about where, just push. Okay, let's go back towards the shoulder. Stop. All right, right there. Boom, take it off the dollies now, and then we'll adjust it on the ground. We're going to have to bang before you... Oh, we got to turn it again. Don't worry about where, just push. Yeah, that's the way it works. Okay, so that's not good. I know, I see that. Alright, are we kind of close to the spot you want it? Yeah, you're kind of, let's hit distance on the other side. You got ready distance out here. Alright, well, let's see what it looks like. Let's take, go ahead, you guys lift that, somebody pull the dolly out, and then we'll do this side. Dolly. Grab this side. All right, guys, it is about the end of our day here in Berlin. We're just about cleaned up. That's Berlin, Maryland, not to be confused with Berlin, New Jersey. There's Scott. It was a hot day today, and he stayed on the roof, never came down. That's because we took all the ladders away. You know, did you guys meet Owen yet? He's 17. It was a rough day for him today. His first install.
It was breaking him in for the first install. He's aged mighty well.
Yeah, how was it, Owen?
Hot.
Fun? All right. Yeah, as soon as we get home, I quit. No, he's going to wait till he gets in his car. He's going to text me. All right, so there's Julie and Patty, and there's Bob. Bob says he's happy.
Very happy.
Very happy. That's what I like to hear. Well, we started the day at 6 this morning. We got another 3+ hour drive. So let's see what we got here, guys. Anybody? Patty, what time is it? Do you know what time it is? 4:30. We'll get home by about 7:30, 7:45. All right, well, this is the bar that's been sitting in the shop for the last 2 weeks. It's the 8x8 custom red cedar tiki bar. And we did a 12x12 roof on this one. Here's 12 of the 20 bar stools I built a week and a half ago. And just to be clear, tiki cav. All right. So this one has a fridge. I think they're gonna run the wire and the power to it, hook it up. Oh, you guys got it out already? Yeah, pulled the wire. Nice. All right, that was smart screwing it in. There we go. All right. So let me see if I can get past here. All right, guys, one last time. We got a fridge, we got the ceiling fan, the rope lighting goes all the way around. And you guys saw all this in the shop. The ice bin cabinets, and we're all set here. And like I said, we got about a 3-hour drive home, through maybe a little more depending on traffic. And then we're in Wesley Hills, New York on Monday. So I don't know what time we're actually going to get home, but we got to load up for the Wesley, New York job tomorrow. I got to find some help for that. But got to load the bar, the roof. All the tools are already in there. We got to load a few more palms. We used a lot of palms today. And this was a good one. We had fun. Driving south, I'm going to tell you, is way better. 100% better. 1,000 times better than driving north. So I am not looking forward to this New York drive. It's going to be a fun install, but you know, the drive. He's got nice banana trees here. All right, so that's it from Berlin, Maryland. So for the Tiki Kev crew, everybody's tired. It was a hot one, like I said. I think we're just about ready to get out of here. So we'll see you guys on the other side. From Berlin, Maryland, and the entire Tiki Kev crew. Tiki Kev out. Hey guys, welcome back to the Tiki Kev shop. It is Sunday morning, 8:15. And as you guys just saw, that was the video from yesterday in Berlin, New Jersey, and that was a good install. It went really well. Yesterday was a good day. It was a 15-hour day for me from the time I got in the shop, which was 4:30 yesterday morning, just making sure everything was ready to go by the time everybody got here. Which we had a great crew yesterday. Everybody got here at 5:30 in the morning. It was actually myself and Julie got back here first when we were done at 7:30, and everybody else was like 5-10 minutes behind us. So it was a long day for everyone. Like I said, 15 hours for me, 14 hours for everybody else. But it went well. So now I am loading up the Wesley Hills, New York job for tomorrow, Monday. I have a small skeleton crew for that. It's just going to be 4 of us. But this is a smaller install. Shouldn't take that long. And the day should only be hopefully half of what yesterday was. So this is a smaller bar. This is a 6x6 with a 6x6 roof. Yesterday's install, as you guys just saw, was a 8x8 bar with a 12x12 roof. So Julie's actually coming in at 9. And her and I are going to try. I don't have any other help here today. And she's off today, but she's coming in just for an hour and a half to help me get this bar on there. But we'll see how that goes. But all the tools are packed. I mean, the truck, I got to reorganize the truck. It's a mess from yesterday. But all the tools are on there. So I think all Julie and I have to do is we're going to load some more palms on, throw them in the bin back there, and get the roof on, which is pretty light. The roof will go in here, and then the bar will go on the end. The bar is just small enough to fit in the back of this truck. So I just have to organize, like I said, throw some more palms in, and get the roof in and the bar, and we're all set for tomorrow. We're going to start early again. We're going to pull out of here at 6. I think it's only like a 2.5 hour drive compared to the a little over 3 hours yesterday each way. So yeah, it was a long day, but I'm back at it. And like I said, it's just a little after 8, but got to get this done. Got to get my daughter to the airport tonight. She's flying to Florida. So we got a lot going on today. All right. So this is the end of this video as far as yesterday's install and this morning. So I'll make another install maybe when we're all loaded up, and then the install tomorrow, and then that'll be a whole new video. So all right, well, I hope you guys are all enjoying your weekend from the Tiki Kev shop. Oh, and thank you everybody yesterday that chipped in. There were 7 of us. So it went really smooth because I had a big crew. Didn't really need that many people, but the more people you have, the smoother things tend to go. So let's see who was there yesterday. It was myself, it was Patti Fahy, it was Krabby Larry, it was Julie, it was Bob, the Big Kahuna Ashby, it was Scot, and Who am I forgetting? Who am I forgetting? The new kid. That's right, the new kid. So he did really good yesterday. So it was a little tough on him just to see what he was made out of and make sure he doesn't quit. So Owen, if you ever do see this video, nice job yesterday. You did good, kid. I don't usually give out compliments, but kid did good. All right, so from the Tiki Kev shop. Oh, and thank you to my customer Bob, who gave everybody a very generous tip yesterday. That was very nice, unnecessary, but very nice. And everybody really appreciated it. Bob, I made sure we all met here at the Tiki Hut, and everybody really, really appreciated it. So thank you very much for that. Yeah, actually, Patti cooked us burgers last night after we got back on the grill. So they stopped at Wawa on the way back home, and her and Krabby Larry, I think Krabby ate, I don't know. Maybe it was just Patti and Owen. But yeah, we cooked some burgers on the grill, watched the Phillies game last night after we got back, and then called it a night. So, all right, for the third attempt from the Tiki Kev shop. Have a great weekend, everyone. Tiki Kev out.